ॐ श्री साई नाथाय नमः।
Baba's love is always unconditional. People like us, we may worship him in different ways. Mostly, what I have observed from people that they worship for their different needs at different timings and for various selfish benefits. But what Swami needs from us is the real devotion from us and real bhakti towards him. That's what he needs from us actually. But we don't understand all these things. But it will be very difficult for us to understand that unique love from Swami will be how it will be flowing on us without any condition. His love is always unconditional. Once it so happened when I was working in Brunei Darussalam, I was working as a dispenser over in a medical concern. There, it has so happened that the company owner wants to retain me there. Company owner wants to retain me there, and he doesn't want to leave me even after my service is finished. But I was not willing. Once I complete the contract, I wanted to come back to our country, but he was not willing to do so. So what he did, so he did some black magic in this thing sweet and gave me that. So I also, without knowing anything, I took that sweet. So due to that, I felt my health went down. I felt very bad. Then I was meditating on Swami and asked her how all of a sudden my health went down, why it has happened so. So he explained that you got that sweet, you have eaten that sweet which was given by your boss. I said yes. So I thought he gave me the sweet with some goodwill. Then I have taken that. But Swami replied that he did some black magic in that as per his own religious way, and that is what is affecting your health. So he doesn't want you to leave the country immediately after your assignment is over. So then I got angry over Swami. So how did you allow him to give such a black magic to me? Swami did not reply and he was just keeping quiet. You know, I got much angry over this point because I am a surrendered person to you. And how can you allow such a thing to happen? So Swami did not reply, so I stopped worshipping him. And I said, I'm not going to worship you anymore. So, and I stopped worshipping. So it so happened I didn't look at his photo also for a week at least. But after 1 week, Swami came to my vision again and he told me, my son, even though you don't worship me, I will not leave you. You are my disciple forever and you will remain so. That is the unconditional love I show towards every human being, similarly to you. So don't worry, your disease will diminish in another 2-3 days and you will be allowed to go to your country of origin. I will make arrangement for that. As per his promise, I became all right in another 2-3 days, 20 days time, and he showed the way. So how I can come to my country after completion of my contract. So that was a big miracle. It so happened my company owner himself allowed me to go to India without making any problem within a week time. So it shows that whether you love him or not, or you hate him, or whatever you do, his unconditional love towards everyone is the same. So it means to insist upon everyone that people have to understand him more and more. Sir.
ॐ